Hello, everyone. Do you want to speak English fluently, but sometimes you feel too busy or too shy? Maybe you try, but you lose motivation. Don't worry. You are not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how small, daily habits can completely change your English step by step, little by little, until one day you realize you can speak with confidence. Let me tell you a story. My name is Alex. Like you, I also wanted to speak English confidently, but my life was busy. I had school, work, family, and many responsibilities. Sometimes I felt nervous. I tried to watch movies in English, but the people spoke so fast I could only catch a few words. I tried to read English books, but I didn't understand every word, and I felt frustrated. And when I tried to speak, I felt shy. My grammar was wrong, my pronunciation was strange, and I lost confidence. One day, I realized something very important. Learning English is not about studying for 10 hours in one single day. That only makes you tired. It is about doing small things every single day. Tiny actions, repeated many times, are more powerful than one big action. Small habits build confidence. Small habits build fluency. And when these small habits become part of your life, English stops being just a subject in school. It becomes your friend, your tool, and your way to connect with the world. So let me share with you 5 simple but powerful steps that completely changed my English. These steps are not difficult. Anybody can do them. If I can, you can too. Step 1. Listen to English. Every day. Listening is the heart of language. Before a child speaks, the child listens. Before you say a word, your brain must hear it many times. So, start small. Just 5 minutes a day. Listen to something in English. It can be a podcast, a short YouTube video, a piece of news, or even an English song. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning silently, even when it feels hard. Think of it like watering a plant. If you give a plant water every day, it will grow slowly, but surely. When I started listening, I didn't understand everything. Sometimes I only understood 1 or 2 words. But I didn't stop. Every day I listened for just a few minutes. After weeks and months, something amazing happened. Suddenly I could understand more. My ears became stronger. My brain became faster. Listening every day is the foundation of fluency. Step 2. Shadowing. Have you ever tried to sing along with your favorite song? That is shadowing. You hear a line and then you repeat it immediately. Shadowing is simple. Play a short sentence in English, listen carefully, and then copy it at the same time. Do not worry about grammar or meaning, just focus on the rhythm, the sound, and the accent. Your mouth will learn to move in a new way. When I first tried shadowing, it felt funny. My pronunciation was not perfect. I sounded strange. But after practicing, I started to copy the speed and tone of real English speakers. Slowly, my speaking became more natural. Think of shadowing as training your muscles. Just like you exercise in the gym to make your body strong, you shadow sentences to make your speaking muscles strong. Step 3. Think in English. This step is a game changer. Most learners translate everything. First, they think in their own language, then they translate to English. That takes time, and it makes you nervous. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start very small. When you see a cup, say to yourself, cup. When you see the sky, think, the sky is blue. When you are walking, think, I am walking to school. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful. At first it feels strange, but soon your brain starts to live in English. English becomes part of your thoughts. And when you speak, the words come faster because you already practiced inside your head. I use this method every day. When I cooked, I said in English, cut the onion, add salt, mix the rice. When I traveled, I thought, the train is late, the bus is full. This small practice created an English world in my brain. That is how I became faster in speaking. Step 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is useful, but reading aloud is powerful. Why? Because when you read aloud, you use your eyes, your mouth, your ears, and your brain, all at the same time. Take a short text, maybe from a book, an article, or even a social media post. Read it aloud. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Don't worry if your pronunciation feels strange. Just read with energy and rhythm. When I started reading aloud, I noticed something. My confidence grew. I became less afraid of speaking because my mouth already practiced many English sentences. It's like training before the real game. Even 5 minutes of reading aloud every morning can make your voice stronger and your speaking smoother. It's like giving your English muscles a daily warm-up. Step 5. Use English in daily life. English should